Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about this radio, Hiroyasu 980 Pro Max. This radio works on two bands, VHF and UHF. Maximum transmission power around 25 watts. Let's test the radio. In the box we can find the user manual. In English, the radio itself. It's really small radio. Hiroyasu IC 980 Pro Max. On the front panel you can find the volume control knob, additional second knob, functionality buttons, port for microphone, color screen, the speaker located on top of the radio. On this side we can find the antenna port, cooling fan, USB Type-C port for programming and external speaker port. In the box we can find the programming cable, USB-A to USB-C. The microphone has this connector, PTT button, two buttons for switching between bands, cape out, microphone, it's not speaker. Additional stuff, you can connect the radio, just plug in the car. Additional microphone holder, a holder for the radio. Press this knob. The radio is turned on. You can change frequency using this knob.
RF.
Enter to the menu. Exit from the menu. Monitor function. PTT button. Additional PTT button. You can use the radio without the external microphone, because the radio has built-in microphone in the radio on the front panel. This button switches between memory channel and V4 mode. Currently I don't have any channels in the memory. This radio, Hiroyasu IC 980 Pro Max, work on two bands, VHF and UHF. On the VHF band, radio works from 136 MHz to 174 MHz. and maximum transmission power around 25 watts. On 70 centimeters band, on VHF band, radio works from 400 to 470 MHz and maximum transmission power around 20 watts. Let's measure the maximum transmission power. 2 meters band, 21 watts and 3.1 amps. Let's check 70 centimeters band, maximum transmission power 22.8, 3.0. Let's switch to the low power exit. 70 centimeters band, 7.2 watts, 1.1 amps. 2 meters band, low power, 4.3 watts and 1.2 amps. Let's enter to the menu of the radio, just pressing this button and select the menu of the radio. To confirm the enter to the menu, just press this knob and rotate. Confirm. Changing the square level.
Anti-jamming.
Anti-jamming functionality. Power. High and low.
Compando up scramble. Bandwidth. Prohibit transmission during busy. Weather alert. Launch timeout. Timeout prompt. FM/AM. Stepped frequency. frequency difference direction, offset, transmission frequency, squelch level, RF, subaudio, subaudio receive, subaudio transmission, special DCS, vague subaudio, subaudio scan, subaudio transmission and receive, subaudio receive, subaudio, scan, scan resume, Prisca N, scan add, scan resume, scan, signal, receive signal code, PTT push code, PTT pop code, DTMF tone, code form, receive signal code, signal, function, Vox gain, Vox delay, automatic contact position, automatic contact transmission, automatic contact tot, automatic contact warn, 1750 Hz tone, wireless copy, dead noise, Vox gain, function, set, work mode, Roger beep, home channel, AB switch, double watch, key tone, FM automatic watch, microphone.
You can use the external microphone or just built-in microphone in the radio and select device host or in hand.
Key lock, lamp control, backlight on during transmission and reception, voice, language,
English and Chinese.
automatic shutdown, password, power on mode, reset, version, user, delete channel, name display.
Now let's measure harmonics. Currently I'm using two attenuators, Catherine, each of them 20 dB. Let's check harmonics. I'm transmitting right now on 2 meters band. You can see some harmonics. This is 70 centimeters band, UHF band. You can hear the fan currently working. It's working pretty good. I thought the fan is broken, but yeah, the fan is working right now and you can see some harmonics. Let's check the sensitivity on 2 meters band. Currently I have SQL level 1. Let's check the SQL. Minus 123. Let's turn off the SQL and check the maximum sensitivity. I think minus 123 dBm on 2 meters band. Now let's check the sensitivity on UHF band, 70 centimeters band. You can see the S-meter is working right now. Minus 126 dBm.
RF.
Let's
Squelch level.
disable the squelch.
RF. RF. Squelch level. RF.
testing, audio testing. This is speaker test, Hiroyasu IC 980 Pro Max, testing, speaker test. The keypad on the microphone has backlight. Testing, audio, Hiroyasu IC 980 Pro Max. Microphone test, microphone test, Hiroyasu IC 980 Pro Max, testing, audio. The radio is easy to connect to the PC, just using the USB Type-C cable. Connect to the PC, run the application. All features the same in the radio. Can read from the radio, make some changes, and write back to the radio. All works pretty good and fast. Just set the airband frequency with the amplitude modulation and connect it to the external antenna, which is on top of my roof, and I can hear the airband.
Charlie out of operation. No repair works in progress. 81 and testaway slippery. Test with caution. Birds strike habit in takeoff and landing area. Wind 260 degrees 4 meters per second.
I think it works pretty good. Airband reception is not present in the description, but it is possible to add the frequency via computer. Probably the manufacturer does not guarantee the reception quality on the airband. This radio has a built-in FM radio. To activate this radio, just press function button and 7. You can search, just press this button and scan FM radios. Let's check the frequency on the second radio. Just press this button function and this measure frequency and transmit on the second radio. Let's wait. Yeah, the frequency the same. Confirm and transmit. Testing, audio. It works pretty good. Switching between monoband and dual band, you can just press menu and this button. You can fast switch between mono band and dual band function and VM dual band function, VM monoband. Let's see what is inside the radio. Right here you can find RDA 5802, and this is FM radio. The processor without any information. This is amplifier. You need to unsolder two wires and disconnect this wire with the front panel. Unscrew several bolts. Unsolder the antenna port. After that, we can see the opposite side of the main board. The speaker, 8 ohms, 3 watts. This is the opposite side of the main board, SF8118 plus version 2.0. Let's see closely. The case 4819 and second one probably the same bouquet. The first one BK 4819 and the second one 4819. You can install the radio in the car, connect to the antenna, just plug in the adapter into the cigarette lighter, turn on the radio, and you on the air. You can assign the fast access to some functionalities to these digital buttons. Currently, for example, function and number 4 enables the working mode. Let's set some of the function signal RX code, for example.
Receive signal code.
You need just hold this button. You will see this sign key 4, exit, and after that you can fun and 4 enables this functionality. You can receive 2 bands simultaneously, 70 centimeters band and 2 meters band. For example, I have 2 meters band and 70 centimeters band. When I try to transmit on 2 meters band, you'll see the signal and the same signal. I show closely 70 centimeters band and 2 meters band at the same time. I finished to transmit on 70 centimeters band. We can hear the signal on 2 meters band, and 70 centimeters band finished on 2 meters band. In new version, which is max version, when you use dual mode, dual reception, there is no any clicks inside the radio as in the old version of the Hiroyasu, because there is no any relay inside the radio. It works really good.
Ага, то сейчас я курю, где будут собираться. 70 centimeters and 2 meters back. Пока, давай. At the same time. Услышимся.
The radio is pretty good. It works on both bands, VHF and UHF. Maximum transmission power is enough to communicate far away from your place. You can use the radio in the car. You can listen to the music using FM radio. And the quality of the microphone is really good. I think the radio is really good too. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment. See you next time.